If you've ever opened Outlook and felt overwhelmed by how cluttered, cramped, or just plain unfriendly your inbox looks, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Outlook view in the simplest, smartest way possible. By the end of this guide, you'll have an inbox that actually works for you, not against you. And the best part, it takes less than 5 minutes. Before we start, remember, your view settings aren't just cosmetic. A clean, customized layout can dramatically boost your productivity and lower that daily inbox stress. Let's begin. First, open your browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 portal. Log in using your Outlook or work email credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, click on Mail because that's where all your view customization tools live. Now look toward the top toolbar. You'll see a tab called View. This is your gateway to reshaping how your inbox looks and feels. Go ahead and click it. Inside the View menu, you'll find the option View Settings. Select it. This is basically the control center for everything we're about to adjust. Think of it as a place where you fine-tune your inbox to match how you like to work. Once View Settings opens, you'll see multiple layout options. Choose Layout, then select Choose a View. Here you'll find preset styles like Compact, Compact with Preview, or Focused. Each one is made for a certain type of workflow, so pick the one that feels right for you, and don't worry, you can switch back anytime. Next, try experimenting with smaller adjustments. Change the column width to make room for sender names or subject lines. Move your reading pane to the right, bottom, or turn it off entirely if you want a distraction-free look. Little tweaks like these can reduce eye strain and make it easier to scan through emails faster. And that's it. You've just customized your Outlook view like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.